Hi, it's Andrew Kerry-Bedell from IT's in Conservation, and I'm going to cover smartphones and NFC technology. Current smartphones have evolved rapidly in the last 5 years, and the modern smartphone is effectively a powerful computer that can do almost anything a modern PC is capable of, but obviously light enough to fit into a pocket or a bag. Smartphone appeal is also growing, with new phones due out regularly and monthly smartphone contract prices recently dropping to between £5 and £10 per month, making smartphones affordable by pretty well anybody. The 4G network has also just launched in the UK, so that by early 2013 mobile users will be able to regularly browse the web and download content outdoors at about 50 megabits per second, which is around 5 times most home broadband speeds. 4G phones are already on the market and more are arriving in time for Christmas 2012. NFC tag scanning capability was first launched in 2011 on Android and BlackBerry smartphones and is now available pre-installed on the latest Windows 8 and Nokia phones. You'll already have seen NFC tags in everyday use, even though you may not know exactly what they are. For example, NFC tags are in the London Oyster card or in newer types of passport. NFC tags can link to anything a QR code can, in other words, web pages, map points, text pages where no internet connection is required, an email address, audio feed, YouTube video or social media platform. NFC tag scanning also works on almost all newer Android, BlackBerry, Windows 8 and Nokia phones. NFC tags can also do things that most QR codes can't, such as start up a mobile application on your phone or link to a particular point on a map trail or phone app you've already installed. Something that's an ideal for heritage site trails. So how exactly does NFC, or Near Field Communication to give it its full title, actually work? Data is stored on a pinhead-sized chip linked to an antenna built into the NFC tag, which is paper thin. You can scan a tag by tapping an NFC-equipped phone on or within about a centimetre of it. Android phones are probably the farthest ahead of the game with NFC. Google, who own Android, launched Google Wallet in 2011 to use NFC for instant mobile payments, although Apple's iPhone 5 has also got Apple Pay. Android Beam also lets users tap phones together to share contacts, applications, map points and websites. And Android Beam is pretty clever, as websites and other links are exchanged through the NFC interface between the two phones as they are next to each other, and the content then gets sent over the mobile network from one phone to another. NFC contactless technology was used successfully throughout the London 2012 Olympic Games, the first ever truly smartphone games, where you could use NFC to scan offers, pay for goods in official store locations, as an entry system and as a social media platform. In fact, many outlets were trying contactless technology for the first time at the Games, and by the end of 2012 there are likely to be 150,000 UK outlets accepting NFC-style contactless payment, including some of the bigger retailers like Waitrose, Boots and Tesco. NFC smartphone technologies can help heritage and conservation organisations to provide fast, effective interpretation for visitors at key points of interest. In fact, many heritage sites are now seeing the advantages of a combination of NFC tags and QR codes for museums or outdoor sites. By using practical ITIC implementation guidelines, NFC tags can offer a whole significant benefits for additional fast, low-cost and effective site interpretation. For more information about mobile applications and contactless technologies like QR codes, NFC tags and augmented reality, go to itsinconservation.co.uk, or to arrange your own mobile technology briefing, contact Andrew via email.